I'm calling unto you, the people of the earth, and my appeal is full of love. Hard times have come, and it's right time for all of us to understand that making war is wrong and fatal. For we are here to live safe, to love and care for each other, to be in single spirit with the Mother Nature. For we are all the children of the wild. And what do we do instead? Destroy and ruin day by day, fight with each other, and with hate in hearts we sow evil, violence and darts. We need to think of it today, of what we've come to, of our way, and realize what huge mistakes we've made, and fix them, and build a better world. We must return to causes of creation, escape from envy, enmity, and wars. Decide how to continue our living, and how do we save the nature and the earth. You, people, hear my call on peace and kindness, and choose the path of truth, soul purity and love. Let's take the path of mercy and compassion and stand together to protect the world. Please, people, have a look around. The earth is beautiful and so may be the life. The Mother Earth is rich in gifts, and all she wants from us are loving heartbeats. For our lives are given from above. The world we live in was created for happiness and love, for us to be admired with the nature, feel good and nice, and listen to the songs of birds of paradise. They have it all to live and to enjoy, to do good deeds and give them all to kids. The world is wonderful and full of magic colors. There's still so much to know and to learn, to feel and to discover. The wild is full of beauty, and it's fragile. So fragile that a single crushing moment can kill the magic for all times. Before it's too late, we all together need to fight the force of evil and destruction, to stop grief, pain, and human greed. We must say no to wars and evil forces. May people overcome the sufferings, and may we live in peace. Let's call on light and good and the Creator to stand for us and help, to be our mentor. May we all see the earth in happiness and blossom. Let's make the world shine bright with good deeds. Let's stop the wars and cultivate the peace. Here is my calling. Please, be patient. Listen, I'm begging you, the people of the earth.